Binance fees discount and Binance fees explained. So if you came to this video, you're most likely looking to learn more about Binance fees, how they all work, and most importantly, you're probably looking to get some Binance fee discounts. Well, as you can tell by today's video title, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can get a 45% off fee discount. And I'm also going to be showing you so much more in today's video. So without further ado, let's begin today's video. Now, the first thing you guys want to do is click the top link down below if you haven't created a Binance account already, so you can actually activate this commission kickback rate of 20%, which in other words is basically a 20% lifetime fee discount on your Binance account. And even if you already have a Binance account already, you can actually create a second Binance account with a different email address, and you can sign up through my link down below. So you can have a 20% off lifetime fee discount right off the bat. And that's what I'll strongly recommend, because otherwise you're just leaving money on the table for no reason and paying extra in fees when you can get a 20% off lifetime discount. And again, all you have to do is just sign up with a different email address. If you do have a Binance account already, you could have multiple Binance accounts. You just can't sign up, like self-refer yourself pretty much. But like what you can do is you can have another Binance account and you can take advantage of this kickback rate for life pretty much, where you get 20% off fee discount for life. So that's the first step basically, so you can get the best deal possible. And the reason why I can do that is because I have a 41% code basically, and the max amount of commission kickback rate I can give to you is 20%. Alright, so once you go ahead and do that, create your free account so you can basically already be ahead of the curve and get a massive fee discount. And this is going to be like 20% out of the 45%. Okay, the next thing we can do is if we go over here to our Binance account, what you want to do is go over here and you want to click on your email section right here. Alright. And then you want to scroll down below. You can basically get a 25% discount when using BNB to pay for fees. So we've got 20% discount, okay, for our account because we signed up through the link down below in the video description, which is going to get us that 20% lifetime fee discount. Now, when we go ahead and activate this, 25% plus 20% equals a 45% discount trading fees right here for our Binance account. So basically we're using BNB to pay for the fees instead of like our chosen cryptocurrency that we use, when we're trading different cryptocurrencies. So it automatically uses BNB to pay fees. So you want to have some BNB inside of your account if you want to take advantage of this discount, because that's what you can do as well. So as you can see, if we keep it off, the fees are higher. If we keep it on, the fees are lower. So those are the two key ways to basically save a bunch of money with your cryptocurrency, okay, when it comes to your fees. Now, the last way to get a discount or to get some fee discounts, which isn't going to be for everyone, is going to be basically if you hold a bunch of BNB or if you have a bunch of trading volume right here. So this is again not going to be for everyone, but I wanted to also mention this in today's video so you can understand how all the Binance fees actually work. So basically this is going to be the Binance fees explained part of today's video. Okay, so as you can see right here, the more you have in regards to trading and the more BNB balance you have, the more they basically get up into a different tier. So VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, etc. Right? So as you can see right here, these are the current fees, and then obviously, as you ascend to different VIP levels, the fees become a lot less. And then as you can see, VIP 9 is kind of insane, trading over this amount and having this amount in BNB. I think it's going to be very out of reach for most people. Even just VIP 1's pretty extreme. So I mean, it's really up to you. That's why I said this isn't going to be for everyone. So again, if we actually go over here to the right, as you can see, if we apply the BNB 25% off discount method, which we just applied before, and if we actually use a referral kickback rate of 20%, which I have shown you in today's video, all you have to do is just click the top link down below to create your free account so you can get that referral kickback rate of 20%. You'll see that regardless of which tier you're actually in, you'll get the biggest discounts right here. So whether you're in VIP 0, 1, 7, 8, you'll be getting the biggest discounts by actually applying the fee discount methods we've actually talked about in today's video. What we've talked about so far in regards to the fees being explained inside of Binance is this is going to be for spot trading, right? So there's actually multiple different trading protocols we can use inside of Binance, including Binance futures trading, which I'm also going to be providing a link down below so you can get some discounts for that as well. So if we go over here, there's also going to be the fee rates depending on how much you borrow and the interest rates. So as you can see the different rates right here for this category as well. Now, a lot of people might also be interested in Binance futures trading right here. If you do use the link down below and the BNB method, you get 10% off. So basically, you will get a 10% discount on your Binance futures trading right here by clicking the second link down below in the video description, I believe. That's going to be below. And you'll be able to go ahead and actually save some fee discounts, or like, save on trading fees through that as well. So I want to quickly explain that as well. It's also very, very similar in regards to how you get into different tiers, or like different VIP tiers. So VIP 0, VIP 1, VIP 2, etc. Right? So that's basically that. Now if we go over here to coin future trading right here, it's very, very similar. And as you can see, maker, taker, these are all the trading fees right here. So pretty much basically, like I said, you get different fees for like different trading like protocols you utilize inside of Binance, because Binance is a pretty big exchange. Obviously there's multiple different cryptocurrencies, and like I said, there is multiple different trades you can do, and multiple, even like future trading itself, it's just very, very, very different in comparison to spot trading, obviously. So there's something to keep in mind as well. So I also want to quickly explain what taker means in regards to like all these trading fees and all the terminology. So if we go over here, what do maker and taker mean? So basically, taker is when you place an order that trades immediately before going on the order book, and maker is when you place an order that goes on the order book partially or fully. So that's just something to keep in mind as well. So if we go back over here, there's actually like separate different fees for like maker and taker, different trading transactions. So you want to keep that in mind as well in regards to like your fees. But again, if we go over here to future trading right here, you can see the different like fees for maker and taker transactions for future trading. We can go over here to cross collateral interest, and as you can see, we can see the daily interest rate, the coin you're going to borrow, the collateral coin, obviously the VIP levels, a very, very important part of it, grace period, borrow limit, and as you can see right here, you can see all these different like parts of like the fees continue to like increase or like decrease depending on like what you want to do. So there's that liquidity swap fee as well. So as you can see, these are going to be the fees based on the VIP levels. And if we go over here to P2P, we can see right here that these are going to be the transactions for maker. So maker is a user who went over that already, and taker as well. So yeah, just want to go over that as well. Very, very important. So I wanted to give you like a good overview of the trading fees you can expect. Most importantly, how you can actually go ahead and utilize these two methods, which we've discussed in today's video, to maximize your savings for spot trading in particular. But most importantly, you can also take advantage of the Binance futures trading discount promo code, coupon code, whatever you want to call it, or referral ID, so you can get a 10% off discount for your Binance futures trading as well. So I wanted to like mention that as well for you. But yeah, like I said, definitely take advantage of basically using this BNB deduction method. So you basically go ahead and use your BNB to pay for trading fees inside of your Binance account. And of course, definitely take advantage of this deal where you can get your commission kickback rate of 20% for life. Even if you have a Binance account already, I strongly recommend creating a new account so you don't leave money on the table, so you can get a 20% lifetime deal and discount for your Binance trading fees in your account. And then if you want to create a Binance futures account as well, you can also get a bit of a discount right here where you can enjoy 10% commission discount right here as well for your Binance futures account if you want to create a Binance futures account, which I'll also provide down below. So basically all these links right here are going to be provided down below in the video description for you, so you can take advantage of these Binance fee discounts. And I just want to quickly go over that in today's video so you can save some money and save some money on your Binance fees inside of your Binance account. So yeah, links will be down below to all the Binance fee discounts and where you can get 20% commission kickback rate right here and more. And yeah, thanks for watching today's Binance fees trading discount video and Binance fees explained video. Cheers.